Let's say you're creating a title block. Now, normally Autodesk will have its own title block. So if you go to Sheets, and let's say you're creating a new sheet and there's nothing loaded yet, you can of course load a sheet. So let's just say we're going to use English, and down below you'll see here title blocks. Let's just say I'm going to do an A4 title block, or yeah, maybe an A1. Open that and click OK. So you can always edit this title block and customize it and make it your own. So you can do that by simply double clicking on it, and it opens up the family editor. And while in the family editor, you can edit this particular sheet. Now, something interesting, if you're creating your own, so it's quite easy to do that, right? If you're creating something new, you need to add these labels. So these are not simple text, these are labels. Now, labels, the nice thing about them is that if you add in the project information about the client, project name, sheet name, it will automatically fill this up for you. So all of these are the labels. Now, of course, you can also change the title block here or the logo, and you can create your own. So you can basically create this from scratch. Now, here's something interesting. This is a revision table, right? Now, if you're creating a revision table, let's say you're creating it from scratch, how do you add this revision table? Well, you actually go here under view, you'll see revision schedule. So you can select the fields that you'd like to add. So in this case, we only have the number, description, and date. So you can remove the sequence here. And if you click OK, you actually get this revision schedule. Now, it of course has this fields revision, repeating that particular word. So what you can do is you can go here and edit the formatting, and here for the heading, remove, let's say, revision, or remove the whole thing and just type, let's say, number, if you do not have enough space for the entire field name. So for revision description, you can of course remove that revision, and for revision date, you can remove date or revision again. Click OK. Now, once you have that, you can now place this into your title block. Now, notice though that once you place this, you do not have this lines, rows here. So what to do for that, right? So you have this grip here, which you can adjust the number of rows shown or showing. Now, I don't have that here. I don't have the grip. And the reason for that is under appearance, I need to change the height, right, of the graphics from variable to user defined. Once you have done that, then you will have those rows. And if you click on it, you'll have that grip and extend the number of rows needed. So when you're creating a revision schedule, that's all you need to do to add to your title block. All the rest are labels, simple lines or text, to complete your title block. So all the things that you can add here by way of adding a label. So just a second. I need to be here, okay? By way of label, right? You can add under create label, okay? Once you have created this, you can add any of the items that you need for your title block, okay? So I'll just cancel that out, and I'm going to simply delete this. So customizing or editing the given title block from Revit or from Autodesk is a good start, but if you want to, you can always customize this.